It is being said that one of the biggest miracles Jesus ever did was to have a group of 12 friends after his 30s. I am very lucky man to have 1/4 of this miracle. Here is my 328i speed yellow wagon E36 BMW. I will make a separate video about it in the future. Here is Christian's Naga 130i with small mods. They run B8 suspension with Eibach springs and Ferrado DS 2500 brake pads. Other than that, car is pretty much stock, but it's in really good mechanical condition. And Coley's Stroker build MX-5. Proper race car that he has whole build videos on his YouTube channel. I recommend you go and watch them. Welcome to the new series, when I share with you our journey on racetracks. We start in Cadwell Park, a historic place for British motorsport. Founded in 1935 and for a long time called Little Nürburgring, is my most favorite track in the whole UK. Why? Sit down, relax and look at those two fastest laps from the day and you'll understand.